What the devil is happening with the West Indies ODI team against Australia? How are we there going? We never pay attention. Somebody tell me, say, we lost the first game by 100 and odd runs. For real. But seriously though, as bad as West Indies have been overall in recent years, we are actually worse at ODI cricket than any other format. And we are committing the cardinal sin of trying to use our T20 batsmen to play ODI cricket. I count at least 5 or 6 in the ODI top order who are from the T20 top order. So using the West Indies T20 batsmen with T20 temperament and 6-hitting mentality to bat 50 overs is a recipe for embarrassment. Yes. They cannot bat 20 overs. Then how them go and bat 50 overs? I think it makes much more sense to use more of our test batsmen to play 50 overs cricket than to ask serial 6-hitters to bat 300 deliveries. Anyway, we don't really business with them, Steve. We don't really business. We don't really business. It don't matter. Why score though? Why score? West Indies a batter board. Are we win the toss? Are we win the toss? No, are we win the toss? How much?